This is what I'm eating for lunch. And I made them in this toaster oven. And there wasn't an oven mitt, so I had to use a towel to pull them out. They're cheese-filled chicken nuggets! Another day in Tbilisi. Another lunch that needs to be made. Today, grilled cheese.
It smells a little burnt.
It smells a little bit burnt, but look at that, that doesn't look too bad. It's a really thick piece of bread, and the butter was frozen still, so it's very hard to get it buttered correctly, but let's see what happens when you cut this sucker open.
You need some help. Look over here. He's got his foot up on here, bent over, trying to cut with the GoPro in his mouth.
This bread is so thick. It didn't stretch as much as I wanted it to. It's almost good. Next time will be better.
Yeah, cooking with TriFate. Who doesn't know how to cook?
Yay!
Look at the city today. It's nice and sunny, nice and clear.
Yeah, we might have to actually leave today at some point. Go see some stuff. We got some snowdrops to watch first and some videos to post. Then we can go out and about.
Yes.
Hmm? Not too shabby.
Food Day Part 2. Another great gourmet snack here. Noodles. Everyone, I'd like to introduce you to someone. We have the one and only beloved Fred.
He's my favorite.
Go follow his Instagram. It's beautiful. What are you doing, sir?
We also have a new friend. His name is Quackers.
Can you quack for me, quackers?
Quack, quack.
Yes, we have a lot of friends here. Oh no, it's gonna boil over.
Quackers, 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 quackers.
Give me quackers.
No, quack! This is life when you are living on the road. This is how life works with the TriFate crew. You make weird, simple dishes and you
Have stupid memes like quackers. Not to mention our butter here chilling in the sun as we try to melt it.
It's so hard still.
Noodles.
Today we're going to show you how to make some Georgian grilled cheese. The first thing you need to do is get your Georgian butter, specifically this kind, whatever it says.
I was about to say, would you like to read that name for me?
It says creamy and reduced fat. All right, and then you bring it over to your thing here. Let's turn her on. Hey, up. Hey. Turn it down a little bit. All right, and then you see the pan there sizzling. Sizzle.
Oh, it's sizzling, so sizzly.
Make them sizzle like a mizzle. Bomb. All right, here we go. Then you get butter, have it drop in there and sizzle around a little bit. And while the butter is sizzling, watch that sizzle, you get your pieces of bread. 2 pieces of Georgian bread. No mold. Fantastic. And you find your butter. Might not be enough butter, actually. So you get a little more Georgian butter. Flop it down on there. Let it keep sizzling. Keep sizzling. Then you take your Georgian bread and you get it all up in that butter. It is buttery. Wow. Get some more. Drop it in. Fantastic. And then wait for that butter to condense. And then you... Ooh. The opposite of condense, actually. And get it all buttered in there. Those should be very well buttered. And then you take your processed Georgian cheese, which seems a lot softer than American processed cheese, which may be a sign that it may be a little more cheese-like. But you open it up like this, like so, and plop it right there.
Oh,
Really? One. Open it up. This is 2 different flavors, slightly different colors, I believe, or they're like different fat densities for sure. Who knows? Let's check our bread. It is very buttery.
Oh, that's got a good butter color.
So I think we can start adding our cheese here. Let's just put a nice slice of Runa right there. The other slice of Runa on that side. You see, and then Next, you take your next piece of cheese. Place one along here. And the other right there. And like rip a little bit off and put it on here. If you're feeling the bread is missing out on some cheese.
You really need a cheese or every spot.
And there. And then you let it cook for a little bit and we'll show you what's next.
Ducky, what are you doing with my butter?
You should not have taken that butter from him.
Ducky, what are you doing with a knife?
Ducky. Quack.
Alright, little update on the grilled cheese.
It doesn't look melted, but it actually is very melted. And if we flip over the bottom here, we get a little bit of a crisp. The unfortunate thing about this bread is that the crust sticks out so much farther than the actual bread, so the crust kind of burns. But I didn't really taste that burn to the last one I had. So this one should be good. I perfected the method.
Grilled cheese has been sandwich.
Complete. A little bit hot, but you know. Ooh, we get a nice crust on the top. Ooh, I like your noodles.
Yes, they're getting very noodly.
No, we could have bought lunch for like $3, but why do that when you can just make deliciousness?
Yeah, these whole noodles are probably like $1 for the entire bag.
Yeah. So. Heck yeah. They don't have spatulas, they just have wood.
Noodle test. Almost ready.
If you're wondering right now, like, wow, how are your vlogs so good? It's because we just do out-of-the-box stuff like make grilled cheese and noodles.
I don't know if anyone's ever made noodles like this before.
I don't think so.
In a pan with boiling water.
Maybe me
pot.
with two wooden, whatever these are. Maybe that's different.
What about the fact that I got murdered by Ducky the duck boy over there?
That's pretty new. Finally, the final presentation.
Oh my gosh, is that a professional chef right there?
We should open a restaurant here.
That's me giving you a round of applause.
That could be a restaurant. We sell noodles. We sell grilled cheese sandwiches and a side of noodles and nothing on them.
Just as basic as possible.
Yes.
Here's a final look at my beautiful noodles. Oh yes. Buttered frackin' noodles. What are you looking at? We had a bread spillage.
It wasn't just a normal spillage. It's when you take a loaf of bread and you smack it on your hand and it breaks in half. Egg time.
I didn't know the plastic would be so fragile. What the heck, that's a small butt. We can make some toast. You wanna make some toast?
Yes! I can wrap it in cheese.
Oh. That's the aftermath of the bread. 1/2, 2/2. Split right down the middle.
You didn't even open it. Eggs.
Oh, Sheller boy.
Where?